Go, Alex! Go, Alex! Go, Alex! Come on, baby. Go, Andrea! Go, yellow! Hands down. Hands up! What?
Come on, Chris. You got Chris. You got Chris. Got Chris. Got Chris. Got Chris. Good job, guys. Good job, Katie.
Hands down, baby.
Here comes, Kate. All right, Kate, get out of there. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Go, Katie. Go, Katie.
Good job, Katie.
Sage, you go. Get it out of the middle. Get it out of there.
There you go. Good job. Come on, Chris. Good, Chris. Hey, Chris, come on. Bring it up, Chris.
Chris.
Bring it up.
Control it. Control it, Chris.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Excellent. Stay with her. Help her out. Let me see the rewind.
Referee sub. Yes, sir. Kathleen.
Tough, man. It's tough.
Kathleen.
Come on, Cap.
Go get it. Go get it, girl. There you go, Gav. You got it, Gav. Hey, Gav.
Oh, nice pass.
Oh, God.
Oh, nice pass. Wow, that was beautiful.
Get your foot on that.
Nice.
Oh, come on, Yellow. Come on, Janessa. Come on, son.
There you go. There it is. Nice shot.
Somebody's got foot, huh? Huh. Keep joking, you know, and put you down for good. Yeah.
Steal this one, Gav.
Yeah. Yeah.
Coming right
Keep
to
it
you,
up,
Gav.
Melissa. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Dangerous part of the game,
Good
man.
job,
You
Mel.
know, for the defense, trying to get it out of your area. You should. Did you see that play yesterday where Nick, our goalie, wanted to kick take the goalie the goal kick, and he was fighting with Evan. He's pushing Evan.
I saw that.
And Evan is like, what the hell is going on? He's like,
I saw that totally.
that was
I was
incredible.
like, man handling each other.
I want to take it. I said, Nick, what are you doing? He goes, I want to take it.
Pressure. Come on, pressure.
Nice.
There you go, Gav.
Come on, Gav.
Go ahead, Gav.
Nice
You look
turn.
good, Gav. Nice.
Good job. Good job.
Again, Gav.
Follow.
Yellow. Yeah. Good try.
Play, Gabby. My boys can't take two soccer games on a weekend. No, what a cross, right? Oh, right there.
Good job.
Good try, girl. Good try. Keep the passing going. Come on. There you go, Lex. There you go, Lex.
Uh-oh, wow. Here we go.
Push it up, Lex. Push it up.
Nice cross.
Get in there!
Oh!
Good try, baby.